John, the Minnesota Twins went out and got a leader, bringing back Torrey Hunter to play right field. Are they about to do anything to bolster their rotation?
Yeah, I think as Joel Sherman reported earlier, they are pushing hard for Irvin Santana. He's been out there in the free agent market last year, and he is again. And this year he was looking for a 5-year deal. Not sure he's going to get that, but I think Minnesota badly wants Irvin Santana. So I think that is a possibility, and I do think he will help them quite a bit. Last year they went and got about 4 free agent pitchers, and Phil Hughes was the one they really hit on, 3 for $24 million. Santana will get more than that if he does indeed sign with them, but I think that's a pretty strong possibility.
Yeah, beyond these numbers you're looking at right now, Irvin Santana, when he pitched that season for the Kansas City Royals, his ERA against AL Central opponents right at 2. So the Minnesota Twins know that. He had a lot of success in this division, so that's a story worth following.